Waking up doesn't have to be a jarring experience. If you're tired of blaring alarms that yank you out of sleep, a sunrise alarm clock could be the game changer your mornings need. These innovative devices simulate the gradual rise of the sun, gently increasing light in your bedroom to naturally rouse you from sleep, just like nature intended. Whether you're battling dark winter mornings, struggling with grogginess, or looking to improve your sleep cycle, a sunrise alarm clock can help regulate your circadian rhythm and make waking up feel easier and more refreshing. Many models also offer features like soothing sounds, customizable light colors, and sunset modes to help you wind down at night. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 6 best sunrise alarm clock you can buy in 2025. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 6. Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300. If you are living with seasonal affective disorder, a type of depression that typically occurs in the winter due to restricted sunlight, your medical professional may recommend light therapy to introduce more sunshine into your day. While studies show that a specialist light therapy box is the best way to reduce sad symptoms, a sunrise alarm clock can also go some way to improving your mood. The Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300 is our top recommendation for anyone looking for more support with their SAD from their sunrise alarm clock, with LEDs with reduced blue light content to help create an environment conducive to sleep. Replacing your phone alarm with a natural light simulation and a good selection of wake-up sounds, including birdsong, waterfalls, and purring kittens, the Lumie Bodyclock 300 aims to stop you scrolling first thing in the morning and last thing at night, which is also known to have a detrimental impact on your mood. Our reviewer, who has experienced well-being struggles as the season changes, said the Lumie made their morning wake-ups much easier. The warm light created a cozy atmosphere, in turn helping them wake up feeling more alert and optimistic. The weird and wonderful alarm sounds, including the sound of goats, also put them in high spirits, which carried on throughout the day. The compact and sleek design of the Lumie Bodyclock 300 was also a hit, and our tester was glad to replace their existing clunky bedside table lamp with such a smart-looking gadget. At $159 MSRP, the Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300 is a great investment for anyone looking to brighten up those dark, drizzly winter mornings as well as their moods. Number 5. WiiM Wakeup Light. The WiiM Wakeup Light is a small device, but it turns out to be surprisingly powerful. It has a companion app where you set up the sunrise alarm and bedtime routines, and can access a huge range of sounds, from the classics like white noise, thunderstorms, or a forest stream to more specific options like healing music for insomnia, a gentle piano piece, or Santa Julia Beach, which I can only assume was recorded on the French shore it's named after. There's also a big range of colors the WiiM can show, and it reminds me of a smart light bulb since it has color combinations and light shows to choose from. Even with the clock's small size, I found the reading light mode is a nice brightness to read a book by, though it didn't fill the room like the Lumie above. It also has one of the biggest sound libraries with nearly 70 sound options you can choose in the app to wake up or fall asleep to. I really like the app controls for the WiiM, which made it easy to set up my routines and even turn on relaxing sounds on a timer to enjoy before bed. The WiiM requires an active Wi-Fi connection to work though, so if your Wi-Fi isn't stable, you could miss your alarm. It also offers Alexa integration and has a built-in microphone so that it can double as a smart home assistant, which again needs stable Wi-Fi. I also don't love that when I go to quiet the alarm, both the sound and the light turn off. Can easily hit the light button to switch it back on, which I do to stay awake, but if you're a chronic snoozer, you might want to set up backup alarms. Number 4. Philips SmartSleep Sleep and Wakeup Light. This futuristic looking circular sunrise alarm clock from Philips has everything. It has both sunrise and sunset routines, 9 relaxing sounds to use for either bedtime or the morning, an easy setup that you won't need a manual for, a built-in FM radio, though it's best for selecting a single station to wake up to rather than surfing the channels, and a soft night light you can easily tap on and off for a quick dash to the bathroom. Everything on the Philips Smart Sleep. Sleep and Wake Up Light is done on the touchscreen, which has deep yellow lettering that navigates you through setting up the time and your sunrise alarm. My only complaint about this touchscreen panel is that the lettering is a little hard to read when the light is at its full brightness. But that might be the point, since you can only turn off the sunrise alarm by touching the alarm button on the screen, requiring you to face the sunlight in order to try and stop it. You can tap the top of the device to turn off whatever music you've chosen, but the light itself will stay on, perfect for actually staying awake. Number 3, Hatch Restore 2. The Hatch Restore 2 looks beautiful and is certainly the prettiest sunrise alarm in this guide. The half moon device has a fabric cover that comes in 3 neutral shades, a nice looking LED clock on the front, and 2 large buttons, one with an open eye, one with a closed eye on the top. The device is fully set up and controlled in the Hatch app, so you only use those 2 buttons to activate or deactivate the wake up and sleep routines you set up for yourself. The Hatch calls its routines rise and rest instead of sunrise or sunset, but it's the same method. What's different is that you can choose to skip a classic white color and fall asleep to, say, a deep red or even purple instead of a warm white. There's also a nice range of sounds to choose from, 13 wake-up sounds and 24 sleep sounds you can fall asleep to and play all night long, or set a timer in your nighttime routine for when the sound should switch off. The sounds are mostly relaxing nature sounds, from forest symphonies and owl calls to relaxing rivers, but you can also fall asleep to the sound of a hairdryer or green noise for dogs if your pup sleeps in your room. There are a few more sound options like sleep stories and partnership content that require Hatch's membership Hatch Plus, $5 a month, but I didn't find I needed any of these for a pleasant wake-up. Number 2, Lumie Bodyclock Spark 100. The Lumie Bodyclock Rise 100 is quite similar to the Spark model, which unfortunately is not available in the US market. If you're attracted to the features of the Shine 300 but are looking for a more affordable option, the Spark 100 could be an ideal choice. This model is part of the same body clock range and offers a budget-friendly alternative. The Spark 100 serves dual purposes. It can be used as a light alarm to help you wake up gently or in sunset mode to facilitate a peaceful sleep. Users can customize the light intensity over a 30-minute duration, enhancing their experience. However, there are notable differences between the Spark 100 and its more advanced counterpart, the Shine 300. For instance, the Spark 100 does not allow users to adjust the duration of the sunrise or sunset periods, which could limit the functionality for some users. Additionally, the audio options are rather basic. There's only a beep for the wake-up sound, and the soothing wave sounds or FM radio options that some other brands offer are missing. Another point worth mentioning is a limitation that some users may find inconvenient: the lack of an alarm schedule setting. While the device allows you to save a default time for the alarm, you must remember to activate it each night before going to bed. This is a minor drawback in what is otherwise an excellent product. In conclusion, the Lumie Bodyclock Rise 100 is a solid choice for those looking to improve their wake-up and sleep routines on a budget. Although it has some limitations, it remains a practical option for many users. Number 1, Dyson Solarcycle Morph. The Solarcycle Morph, previously known as the LightCycle Morph, serves multiple purposes beyond being a light alarm. This versatile device functions as a task light, reading light, and ambient light, making it an ideal addition to any indoor space. One of its key features is its ability to mimic the natural daylight cycle, which can significantly enhance your ability to focus and unwind throughout the day, particularly when staying indoors. This capability is especially beneficial during the winter months when natural light is scarce, combating seasonal affective disorder and improving overall well-being. As a light alarm, the Solarcycle Morph allows users to create a customized weekly schedule for their lighting needs. Through the Dyson Link app, you can easily adjust the brightness to suit your preferences and routines. This user-friendly setup ensures that you experience the right light intensity at the right times, enhancing productivity during the day and fostering relaxation at night. Overall, the Solarcycle Morph is not just a light alarm, it's a multifunctional tool that adapts to your daily life, contributing to a healthier and more balanced environment at home. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.